Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change app icon size in your Android phone. You can use two methods to change app icon size in your phone. For the first method, just touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can find the settings option. Just tap on settings and that's it. At the top you can see app size option, and here you can see a slider and you can see three levels: small, medium and large, and you can choose any level as you want. If I select medium and then go back, and you can see app icon size has been changed successfully. Now for the second method, just go to app screen and then tap on three dots, then go to settings option, and here it is. You can also change your app icon size from here. Just select any size and then go back, and it's done. And that is how you can change app icon size in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.